Hello YouTube, this is MG Survival here, and this will be a review about not mine but my brother's Victorinox camper. So it has a screwdriver, bottle opener, can opener, smaller screwdriver. This for like a bottle opener. This like a tent sewing needle. It also has a large blade. It has a small blade as well. And then one of the best things about this knife is that it has a saw. Really great wood saw. All Victorinox saws are great. Like the one on my Victorinox Trailmaster. So we have a toothpick and some tweezers. So it has also a keychain ring, so you can hang it. You can attach a lanyard to it and use it as a EDC knife. Attach it to your belt or something. So hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe.